Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Good. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. All right, y'all, let's go ahead into some practice with money. So, Lily buys orange juice that costs $3.46. What is the amount rounded to the nearest dollar? So, we're going to use our strategy where we're going to use the rule for rounding to the nearest dollar. Do you guys remember that song from at the beginning of the year? Very good. So, if it is, what we're going to do is we're going to find the amount of cents, $3.46. So, we have $3.46 as a change. The amount of cents is 46 cents. We're going to compare the amount of cents to 50 cents. If it's 50 or greater, we're going to round up to the nearest dollar. If it's 50 or less, we're just going to let it rest. So we're going to use the rule for rounding. I know that 46 is less than 50 cents. So since 46 is less than 50 cents, we're going to keep the amount of dollars the same. We're just going to let it rest. Change the amount of cents to 0. So to the nearest dollar, $3.46 would round to $3.00 or $3. So the amount of $3.46 rounded to the nearest dollar is $3, okay? So whenever we're looking at that, we're going to make sure that if we have $3.46, we're going to take a look at that tens place, okay? If it is 4 or less, we're just going to let it rest, and it's going to round to $3, okay? But if it happens to be like 50 or higher, then we would round it up to $4. So we think $3.46 is between $3 and $4. Are we going to round it down to 3 or up to 4? All right, let's practice this example. Jill buys a hat that costs $4.81. She pays with $5 for the hat. What's the group of coins that Jill could get for change? So we're going to have to figure out how much change she will get. So we're going to start with $4.81. We're going to go all the ways to $5. So we could add a dime, which would be 10 cents. Okay, and that would get us to $4.91. If we added another dime, we'd get too far. So let's add a nickel, and that would get us to $4.96. And then we're going to continue adding pennies up until $5. So 1 penny would get us to $4.97. Another penny would get us to $4.98, almost there. Another penny would get us to $4.99, and whoo, one last penny would get us to $5. So if we count that all up, we would get 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 cents. So her change would be 19 cents, or it could be 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. All right, so that is the answer to that question. All right, friends, let's go ahead and practice making change for homework tonight. I will see you guys in class, and we'll continue working on this some more tomorrow. Great job.